Yung ganon, yung arc. That means rebirth, cycle of rebirth. Kaya ang daming butterfly dito. Considering kasi sa Japanese mythology, kapag ganun na may kuweba, sabi may ganun ka na arc eye bridge kang ganun, it's a portal to the womb of reincarnation sa nila. Kaya yung praying monks, sinusultop niya yung mga galang espiritu para ma-rebirth sila. Dito yung dragon. Hindi dito sa taas. We go look what anong ibig sabihin ng dragon. Hat niya, nasa'yo? Ayaw, basahin mo nga.
People born in the year of the dragon are healthy, energetic, excitable, short-tempered, and stubborn. They are also honest, sensitive, brave, and they inspire confidence and trust. Dragon people are the most eccentric of any in the Eastern zodiac. They neither borrow money nor make flowery speeches, but they tend to be soft-hearted, which sometimes gives others an advantage over them. They are compatible with rats, snakes, monkeys, and roosters.
Yum 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 yum. Healthy, energetic, excitable, short-tempered, stubborn. Honest and sensitive people. Brave and inspire confidence and trust. Those are all Bambam traits.
Oh, we read that also.
Ay, sa akin, ship ako, no?
You're goat.
O, goat pala.
You're not sheep. People born in the year of the goat are elegant and highly accomplished in the arts. They are often shy, pessimistic, and puzzled about life. They are usually deeply religious yet timid by nature. Sometimes clumsy in speech, they are always passionate about what they do and what they believe in. Their abilities make money for them, and they are able to enjoy the material comforts that they like. They are wise, gentle, and compassionate, and are compatible with rabbits, pigs, and horses. Ikaw yung compatible sa akin. I'm your pig. Kiss me, go.
Ay ka na, we go home na, baba. Wala na, go home.
Aya! Huh? Where? Ito na, trim. Pagod to, daddy.
Ay ka na, we go home na. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we go to na. You tell Uncle Arnold where we went. Then we watch that on YouTube later. Bye bye Mr. Bird. Bye bye Mr. Monkey. You see. Bye bye Big Ken Ken. Antok na to sa Ken mamaya. Palo mo na si Ken Ken.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye Mr. Ken Ken. You see. Diba love? Passionate with passionate sa gagawin ko. Passionate in the material things I do enjoy. That's why we have PlayStation and these cameras and the drone.
Ano ulit ako?
Ay, yung pig, balikan natin na. Mahilig makiaway. Likes arguments. Bigyan mo si mama mong kwan. Pati na mamati kami nga paalaway siya. Pig.
Wala always. Big people are chivalrous and gallant. Whatever they
Galante.
do, they do with all their strength. There is no left or right, and there is no retreat. They have tremendous fortitude and great honesty. They don't make many friends, but they make them for life and are extremely loyal. They study a great deal and are generally well informed. They are quick-tempered, yet they hate arguments and quarreling. They are kind to their loved ones. They are most compatible with rabbits and sheep. Oo. They hate arguments. Don't talk to me.
Hot. Hot?
Ay, video ko kayo.
Bakit? Saan yung exit niya?
I do not know. Baka dito.
Next time we get the drone, huh?
Oo, tayo pa-follow mo na lang tayo. Pwede naman yun, 'di ba?
Oh, kaya niyo.
Oh. Sana tayo.
Chinese ka. Dito, exit. Just pass. Pangalan kay Chong pa yung home builders.
O bakit? Kilala mo siya? Oh, mataas pala siya talaga.
Sino?
Yan, TG Home Builders. Doon naman yung school namin.
Yung. Siya nagpagawa.
Hindi. Doon nag-rent yung school namin nun. I think binili na ng school namin yung...
Ay, yung kwan? Yung data center?
Yeah. Ano meron dito?
Ah, uwi na. Uwi na
Uwi
tayo.
na?
Ano tayong gagawin?
Hindi. Dito ba yung exit?
Cafe.
Cafe? Are we going to eat?
Hindi. Kinain ba tayo? Antok na si Bambam.
Okay.
Wait. Diba? You're so thankful may pang video tayo ng ganyan.
Yeah. Oh, meron palang ganun, no? I love... Is that Baguio?
Yes. Mag-nabis mo mamaya si Bambam, ha?
Okay. Kasi kailangan ko ding ikat yung nails niya.
Diretso na tayo, we.
Pwede.
Ano yung nandyan?
Huh?
Ano?
Saan?
Yan.
I don't know. What's that?
Yeah.
I-check natin. Ano ba yan?
Check mo. Huwag kami yung video mo.
I like that one, oh. Ay! Di ba tayo galing dito?
Hindi.
Hindi tayo galing dito?
Anong gusto mo dito?
Oh, I like the gold tree.
Ano yung dyan sa loob?
Botanical?
Oh, may exit.
Orchidarium.
Dati, check mo.
Check natin kasi man ang orchids.
Puro Taiwan orchids naman.
It's slippery lava, it's wet. Wow!
Diyan mo naman daw eh.
Bakit? Sinusundan ko kayo.
Take video mo ay yung place, hindi kami. Kung nakikita yung pet lang yung Bambam.
Wow! Medyo ano siya, Singaporean. Yung ganun niya.
Singaporeans din.
Oo.
Parang yung airport nila.
Ganda. Beautiful.
Kami ni Kuya.
Alam mo, may theory ako kung bakit nila tinaas yung mga orchids. Para walang kukuha.
Hindi.
As in, taas na taas eh. I like it there.
Saan? Hindi po doon sa gilid.
Here. I like it here.
Oo, napo ka doon.
Ganda oh.
Ako dyan.
Dito?
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, isa pa. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Okay.
I have long legs. Bakit mukha akong mataba dun sa picture ko dun sa konti?
0.5.
Hindi. Ha?
Ay, tama na.
the spring of life. So yun.
Wala na, we're
Exit
out
na.
na. Exit na tayo.
Oo.
Exit dito.
Ay, next time punta na lang tayo dito ng gabi para ma-appreciate naman natin. Tapos daan tayo ng tunnel.
Ha?
Daan tayo ng tunnel.
Saan tanan?
Doon. Dapat kasama si na Ching Ching. Ganun.
Pwede.
Ew, ew. Wow.
Strawberry. Strawberry ano? Strawberry. Hindi. Ano?
Yes, ma'am. Pili lang. Pasalubong.
Walang tao. Uwi na nila.
Ganda.
Huh?
Ganda ng door. Oh, may telephone doon, love, oh. Yung, alam mo yung UK style na telephone? Telephone booth.
Pingain na kami.
Strawberry to ho! Oo, may ube, strawberry.
And that concludes our Bambam story for today.
Andun, pilak.
Iba